Hello, I'm Dr. Gerald Whalen, an integrative chiropractor based in Carmel, Indiana. I'm thrilled to introduce you to a transformative journey unveiling the wonders of exponential healing. This groundbreaking approach is made possible by restoring the four foundational pillars of health. The four foundational pillars are nervous system communication, whole food nutrition for growth and repair, metabolic cleansing and detoxification, and mind-body stress relief. During your care program, you'll uncover the secrets to recovery from a range of issues like fatigue, allergies, digestive problems, weakened immunity, sleep difficulties, various types of pain, and more. My aim is to shift your focus towards integrative chiropractic methods, allowing you to experience the remarkable benefits. If you recognize you are caught in the conventional downward spiral of adding pounds each year or dealing with frequent heartburn, whether or not you still have your gallbladder, or if you're currently on medications for blood pressure, blood sugar, cholesterol, and sleeping difficulties, restoring the four foundational pillars is designed for you. If you're dissatisfied with traditional approaches, tired of conflicting medical advice, and have lost trust in conventional medicine after years of failed pharmaceuticals, I understand. I'm honored to guide you through this journey. You are invited to benefit from my practice, Whalen Integrative Wellness Solutions. I've assisted thousands in reclaiming true wellness. I've also been where you are. My passion for chiropractic care began at age 16 with a life-changing experience, leading me to graduate with honors from Palmer College of Chiropractic in 1979. With over 45 years of clinical experience and extensive postgraduate studies, I am committed to helping you achieve optimal health. As you progress through your personalized care program, you'll gain powerful options for reversing the course of your health decline. You will reclaim the energy and self-healing power needed for a fulfilling life. Restoring the four foundational pillars of health empowers you to make better choices, eradicate stress, boost energy, and prevent illness. This journey sets you on a path to deeper relationships, a vibrant career, and a longer, healthier life. Together, let's unlock your fullest potential and rejuvenate your health.